In this video, I will show you how to arc text in Illustrator. We begin in a new and completely blank Adobe Illustrator document, and to be able to arc and arch our text, the very first thing we need to do is go to the top area of our document, and among all these different options, we click on the Windows section. In this drop-down menu, we position ourselves in the upper area where all the tool menus are located. We click on the text toolbars, and in this other menu that appears, we press the basic option to activate the essential tools. Now that the toolbar is already showing on the left side, we are going to proceed to type our text. To do this, we just have to select the type tool and then click anywhere on the page to create our text field. Here we are going to write our text. In my case, I type arc text, and now back in the left toolbar we go to the very top and press the regular selection tool to adjust the overall size of this text before arcing it. To do that, we click on any of the corners of our text and stretch it until we set the size we want, making sure it feels visually balanced. If you don't want the text to lose its proportions while you stretch it, make sure to hold down the shift key on your keyboard, and as you can see, it maintains its correct proportional shape. After this, when we arc our text, the letters are going to get slightly squashed, some of them quite a bit, and to keep the text readable, I recommend stretching it vertically a little beforehand. We simply click on this lower point of the blue selection box, and now, without pressing the shift key, we drag downward, and as you can see, it stretches smoothly. Next, we head to the upper object section. In the lower area, we press envelope distort, then make with warp, and that's it.